What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. It's another day, another lesson. So I'm coming back today. I want to teach you guys one thing. I want to teach you the reason why you're going to not accept any loss in the market. I don't take the loss, because I know how to deal with the market. So this is the same thing that I'm going to deliver to you today. I want to show you the secret that you can use for not borrowing your account. Sound like, it's not easy, but it's possible. And many traders don't know this, but many traders do know about this. So here's the thing, all right? Somebody says to me like, yo, every single time I take the trade, every time I take the trade, it's gonna give me the profit like 30 pips, and then after that the market is gonna come back on me, and it's gonna I'm gonna end up hit the stop loss, right? So I'm like, okay, I get your question. Then I was like, oh, can you please repeat your question? Then he said to me again, whatever I take the trade, right? If the same thing that I'm explaining right now is also happening to you today, I want to show you the secret that you can use in order to avoid this kind of losses. Obvious, sometimes, sometimes it does happen. The market is going to give you the profit 20 pips, and then after 20 pips, the market is going to come back and hit your stop loss. So yeah, that's what the person told me. Juba, every single second I take the trade, every single second I take the trade, it does give me the profit 30 pips to 40 pips. But before hit my TP, it's always come back on me and hit my stop loss. So listen to me, my brother. You know your question, right? Maybe anybody who's watching right now, you might be having the same reason, the same question. So here's what you do, right? This kind of problem is not a problem, right? It's just the market. The market, it does have its own changes, right? The market can be going on downtrend, but for somehow, somewhere, maybe it might be some news. This is what used to change the market most of the time. Maybe might be some news, just enter, and then the market is going to end up, maybe it was on downtrend, it was going down, and then after some news, just enter the news, then it's going to mess up your trade, and the market is just going to change the direction because of the news, and the news is going to end up hit your stop loss. Sometimes you will see the trade was going downtrend, and then after the trade hit your stop loss, comes back and go on the same direction that you will predict the market to go to. So this is how you do it. And now to avoid this kind of losses, first thing first, you must know this, it does happen to any trader, bro. It's not only you. This thing does happen to everyone, because it's not about being professional, no matter what. No, it doesn't mean like you are professional so that the market won't hit your stop loss. This thing does happen. So this is what you need to always do, right? Every single minute you see the market already give you some like 20 pips, something like 20 pips, in order to avoid this kind of stuff to happen. Every single second you see the market like, yo, I took the market, I'm predicting the market to give me 100 pips as a TP, but the market already give me 20 pips, and then this kind of stuff, it's usually happen. So this is how you're going to do it. Shift your stop loss. Hey, bro, shift your stop loss is very easy. Every minute I see the market already give me the profit of 30 pips, bro, I always make sure I secure my profit. It might be maybe half, if you see like, oh, okay, I don't want to go far, I don't want to tight the market so much, you can just put your stop loss break even. If you don't know what is the break even is, all right, the break even is where you took the market from, you know, say the same number that you took the market from. Let's say you just sold the market, the same number that you sell the market from is the same number you're going to put as break even. So that means you're protecting your account in case the market comes back. You know what I'm saying? Let's say the market was going up, you bought it, and the market was going up on uptrend, and then the market, maybe some news just entered, and then, you know, decided to pull back on you, and then it's gonna hit that break even, and it's gonna take you out with no loss, no profit. You know what I say? But if you don't want to be like, yo, you know, I already keyed 30 pips, and then I don't want to get out to the market just like that, just in case anything happened, you can just look like 10 pips, bro, in your profit. This is a secret you need to do. You are not going to take any loss from today. You know what I say? Professional traders, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. So the market gives you 30 pips, you know what I say? Because you know this kind of situations, it does happen, you're gonna lock your 10 pips and then let 20 pips, you know, the 20 pips is going to be the space for the market to breathe, you know what I say? Because you know the market is moving high lows, high lows, high lows, you know what I say? If it's going down, it's moving lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. So you need to, every single minute you took the market, and then you see yourself, you already make the profit. I always tell this to my VIP team, you know what I'm saying? I always tell this to my team, you know what I'm saying? Do not let your profit become a loss, because we're here to make a profit. We are not here to make a loss. You know what I'm saying? I know you want to make money. I know you don't want to lose money. You know what I'm saying? But this is how you're going to deal with a market like that. You know what I'm saying? So if you do like this, these tips, you know what I'm saying? Please, you know what I'm saying? Please like this video and subscribe to the channel and join free Telegram group. You know how we do. You know what I'm saying? You can join the team, the VIP team, you know what I'm saying? And you're going to be taking the trade with me. Any trade I take, you take. You know what I'm saying? So starting from today, I'm sure you already know what to do. Every time you take the trade, you know what I say, the trade already give you the profit. It might be maybe 20 pips, it might be 30 pips, 40 pips. And then when you see the market started doing funny things, doesn't want to go the same direction that you were predicting the market to go to, you already know what to do. Shift your stop loss, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is how you're going to deal with the market that always comes back on you. You know what I'm saying? Just made, unless if the market just decided to come back on you before entered the profit. But once the market already entered the profit, bro, no, I don't accept these losses. You know what I'm saying? The market is gonna go in the profit for 20 pips and it's gonna come back on me. It's gonna hit me out with my break even, or it's gonna hit me out with my small profit. You know what I'm saying? So you already know how to do it, guys. There's a lot of, if you don't know how to use break even, we have a lot of videos in this channel right here. You can check my previous videos, guys. I do explain about this, all these things, how to shift the stop loss and the stuff, you know what I'm saying? Check my previous video. And if you think like you don't know how to do it, you're still new in the forex trading, just leave the comment below, then I'll make this video for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm here, guys, to help you. I'm here, guys, to help you make money in a forex market, you know what I'm saying? That's why, guys, I always make sure I give you the light tips, the things that I've been hustling for years, bro. The things that I'm giving to you in the videos, guys, are the things I spent years, guys. Years. You know what I'm saying? More than 5 years, 6 years, bro, to learn all these things. You know what I'm saying? Because I had to get some experience from the market. You know what I'm saying? You know, and you know, some experience, guys, takes a lot, it takes a long time, guys, to master, you know? So this is like a connection. So now I'm giving you the connection. You already know how to do once you already enter the market. So leave the comment below. Let me know any kind of content I can make for you. If you guys are struggling, let me know something that you're struggling with in the Forex market. Leave the comment below. Then I can make the video for you. You know what I say? I will make the video for you guys. You know what I say? So peace out. Make sure you do the right things. Subscribe and like the video. Peace out.